Here is a beginner-level marketing manager quiz that covers marketing strategy development, digital marketing and online presence, and content marketing and storytelling. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of a marketing strategy? A. To increase production capacity. B. To plan and execute activities that help achieve business objectives. C. To manage customer complaints. And D. To create financial reports. Answer. To plan and execute activities that help achieve business objectives. Question 2. Which of the following is not a key component of a marketing strategy? A. Target audience. B. Competitor analysis. C. Employee benefits plan. And D. Brand positioning. Answer. Employee benefits plan. Question 3. What does the term unique selling proposition (USP) refer to? A. The company's financial strategy. B. A feature that makes a product or service stand out from competitors. C. A type of sales training. And D. A pricing strategy. Answer. A feature that makes a product or service stand out from competitors. Question 4. What is a key benefit of competitor analysis in marketing strategy? A. It helps a company set salaries for employees. B. It guarantees immediate success. C. It eliminates the need for advertising. And D. It helps identify market gaps and opportunities. Answer. It helps identify market gaps and opportunities. Question 5. A marketing funnel is used to A. Track customers from awareness to conversion. B. Organize a sales team. C. Distribute physical marketing materials. And D. Set employee performance goals. Answer. Track customers from awareness to conversion. Question 6. What is the 4 Ps framework in marketing strategy? A. People, production, planning, profits. B. Product, price, place, promotion. C. Process, packaging, partnership, productivity. And D. Price, profit, progress, promotion. Answer. Product, price, place, promotion. Question 7. What is a major challenge in marketing strategy development? A. Managing office space. B. Hiring employees. C. Identifying and adapting to changing consumer behaviors. And D. Organizing team-building activities. Answer. Identifying and adapting to changing consumer behaviors. Question 8. What is the purpose of search engine optimization, SEO? A. To design company logos. B. To increase direct sales. C. To create offline advertising strategies. And D. To improve website ranking on search engines. Answer. To improve website ranking on search engines. Question 9. Which platform is primarily used for professional networking and B2B marketing? A. Instagram. B. LinkedIn. C. Snapchat. And D. TikTok. Answer. LinkedIn. Question 10. Pay-per-click, PPC. Advertising means A. Advertisers pay only when someone clicks on their ad. B. Advertisers pay a fixed monthly fee for ads. C. Advertisers pay only when they get a sale. And D. Advertisers get free promotions. Answer: advertisers pay only when someone clicks on their ad. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which metric is commonly used to measure engagement on social media? A. Break-even point. B. Customer lifetime value, CLV. C. Net profit margin. And D. Click-through rate, CTR. Answer: click-through rate, CTR. Question 12. Which digital marketing strategy involves sending promotional emails to customers? A. Social media marketing. B. Influencer marketing. C. Email marketing. And D. Affiliate marketing. Answer: email marketing. Question 13. What is a landing page in digital marketing? A. The homepage of a website. B. A standalone page designed for a marketing campaign. C. A page with a company's financial data. And D. A customer service page. Answer: a standalone page designed for a marketing campaign. Question 14. Which of the following is an example of organic digital marketing? A. Running paid Google ads. B. Launching an influencer campaign. C. Posting regularly on social media without paid promotions. And D. Sending direct mail brochures. Answer: posting regularly on social media without paid promotions. Question 15. What is content marketing? A. Using valuable content to attract and retain customers. B. Only posting promotional materials. C. Creating advertisements for print magazines. And D. Writing legal documents. Answer: using valuable content to attract and retain customers. Question 16. Which type of content is best for storytelling in marketing? A. Spreadsheets and financial reports. B. Blog articles, case studies and customer testimonials. C. Product inventory lists. And D. Internal emails. Answer: blog articles, case studies, and customer testimonials. Question 17. Why is video content becoming more popular in marketing? A. It reduces company costs. B. It is cheaper to produce. C. People prefer visual content over long text. And D. It eliminates the need for websites. Answer: people prefer visual content over long text. Question 18. A brand voice refers to A. The voiceover used in commercials. B. The CEO's public speaking skills. C. The volume of advertisements created. And D. The tone and style of communication a brand uses. Answer: the tone and style of communication a brand uses. Question 19. A strong call to action, CTA, should A. encourage customers to take immediate action. B. Be vague and unclear. C. Avoid persuasive language. And D. Only be used in printed materials. encourage customers to take immediate action? Question 20. What is a key metric to measure content marketing success? A. The amount spent on content creation. B. The number of pages in a marketing report. C. Engagement rate and lead conversions. And D. The number of advertisements rejected. Answer: engagement rate and lead conversions. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.